Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have here a set of Sympathy wind chimes. So if you have somebody who something happened to one of their loved ones, you can give them a set of wind chimes, and then ideally when the wind blows and they hear the dinging, they'll think of the person, or pet or whatever. So it says, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day, unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. It's a nice little card. And then we have the wind chime as well. And this is what it looks like here. Sounds kind of nice. And it's got the little saying on it right there. And it sounds nice. I have a friend who just this past weekend, their cat was killed by a dog, and so I'm actually going to give it to him, so he'll be reminded of his loving little cat when he hears this ring. He's got a huge airplane hangar that he lives in, so he's got plenty of space, and it'll be nice for him to have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this on over to him. So really nice to have. Sounded pretty, so hopefully he'll like it. Thumbs up.